Are you struggling with anxiety? Feeling overwhelmed and stressed out? Imagine a world where these feelings don't control your everyday life. Anxiety is more than just a feeling of unease. It is a common experience that can interfere with our daily lives, affecting our thoughts, emotions, and even physical health. When anxiety takes over, it can feel like a heavy cloud, hindering our ability to enjoy life to the fullest. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, anxiety can make simple tasks seem daunting and life's pleasures less enjoyable. But you're not alone in this. Many people experience these feelings, and it's not something to be ashamed of. Recognizing these feelings is the first step towards managing them. But the good news is there are natural ways to alleviate these feelings and bring back calmness into your life. Stay tuned as we explore these natural remedies and help bring a sense of tranquility back into your life. Nature offers a plethora of remedies that can help us combat anxiety. One way to tap into the calming powers of Mother Earth is through the use of calming herbs. Chamomile, for instance, has been used for centuries to soothe the nervous system. Lavender, too, is a potent ally when it comes to inducing relaxation. And lemon balm is known for its ability to relieve restlessness and promote a sense of calm. These herbs can be easily incorporated into your daily routine in the form of teas. Imagine at the end of a long day, brewing a warm cup of chamomile tea, its gentle aroma filling your senses as you take a moment to unwind. Or perhaps starting your day with a refreshing cup of lemon balm tea, allowing its citrusy notes to awaken your senses and prepare you for the day ahead. Brewing these herbs into a comforting cup of tea can be your first step towards a calmer mind. Have you ever considered the power of scent in managing your anxiety? Let's explore the concept of aromatherapy. This age-old practice harnesses the aromatic compounds from plants, encapsulated in essential oils, to stimulate the senses and influence our emotions. Essential oils like lavender, with its sweet floral notes, are renowned for their calming properties. It's like a walk in a blossoming lavender field, a tranquil experience that soothes the mind. Then there's bergamot, a citrusy essential oil known for its uplifting and mood-enhancing effects. It's like a burst of sunshine on a cloudy day, bringing warmth and positivity. Don't forget frankincense, a resin-derived oil with a rich, woody aroma. It's been used for centuries to promote relaxation and a deep sense of peace. These oils can be diffused into the air, creating a serene environment, or applied topically in a diluted form for a more personal experience. Aromatherapy can be a powerful tool in your arsenal to fight anxiety. Did you know that the practice of mindfulness and meditation can help calm your anxious mind? Indeed, these practices are proven techniques to reduce anxiety and stress. By focusing on the present moment, mindfulness allows us to let go of worries about the future or regrets about the past. It's an opportunity to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Now, let's talk about meditation. This practice involves deep breathing and concentration, guiding our minds away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and into a state of peace and relaxation. You can start by setting aside just a few minutes each day. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. As thoughts come to mind, acknowledge them, and then gently bring your focus back to your breath. Regular practice of mindfulness and meditation can significantly reduce anxiety levels, promoting a sense of calm and tranquility. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine can help you manage your anxiety effectively. Managing anxiety is a journey, and it's important to find what works best for you. As we conclude, let's revisit the powerful tools we've explored today. Harnessing the calming properties of herbs such as chamomile, lavender, and lemon balm can provide a natural and soothing relief. Aromatherapy with essential oils like lavender, bergamot, and frankincense can reduce feelings of stress and promote relaxation. And don't forget the power of mindfulness and meditation. Just a few moments each day can bring a profound sense of peace and tranquility. All these methods are not just effective, but they connect us back to nature, reminding us of the healing power that lies in our natural world. And remember, it's not about instant fixes, but building a routine that supports your overall well-being. Remember, incorporating these natural solutions into your daily routine can help you find relief from anxiety and bring more calmness and peace into your life.